Right guys, welcome back to another video. Now, today I want to install this aftermarket steering wheel and the steering boss onto my Seat Ibiza. Now, the reason I'm doing this is I just fancy a change. The steering wheel it's on at the moment is of a Seat Leon FR. And don't get me wrong, I absolutely love it. But you know, I just fancy a change. I always do that, chop and change car parts, just to see, you know, what I like and what I don't like. So today, we've got this steering wheel to go on. It can be a bit of a pain in the arse job. I'll do my best to try and talk you through how to remove the original steering wheel. Another thing, when we install this steering wheel, the aftermarket one, there's two things to remember. You need to try and wire up the horn, so we need to figure that out. And also, when it comes to your MOT, you will need to put your standard steering wheel back on. Because unfortunately, any car that comes with an airbag, the original steering wheel and the airbag has to be present in an MOT, unless you get a friendly MOT, which is probably the easiest thing to do. If you know someone who can do it, then go ahead. We've got the steering boss as well, which was quite tricky to find. The steering boss that I have here, I paid £16 for. It's for a Polo 9N. So, because I can't remember what the size is for it, but I'll link this boss in the description below. Anyway, it's enough waffling. Let's get this thing installed and appreciate how good it looks. Right, so here is my standard steering wheel. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love this steering wheel. I just fancy a change. So the first thing you want to do is remove this bit of plastic here, just to get access to the holes behind the steering wheel, and then put your steering wheel to like the side like this. Yeah, so you want your steering wheel in this position because the hole is right here. Right, I'm not sure you see on camera, but basically we've got two holes. Now it's the one, now the hole you're wanting to put your like little kind of drill piece in, or like a small screwdriver, is in this hole here. So it's a slightly smaller hole next to the big one. And I'm going to use a drill piece just for length, because anything that's too long just touches here and you can't get enough room. But what I'll do is I'll put the piece in and I'll show you how to release the airbag. And just like that. And that is the airbag removed. Oh, Jesus. Listen, this is not the original steering wheel for the car. This is off a Seat Leon. So with your Seat Ibiza, it might be a little bit different. But I'm showing you this just because this is what's on my car. So now that's removed, that can go there. And now we'll straighten the steering wheel up, get this nut off, and then install the aftermarket steering wheel. Hey guys, now the size for here is I don't know why the camera's just not focusing worth a fuck, but it's a T55 torque, which goes in there like so. And there we have it. Right, now the next step is, how do we think about it? And yes, we'll need to remove the airbag squib. To remove this bit of plastic, as far as I can see, there's a torque there, and also there's one just under there. Right, sorry guys, I kind of got this airbag squib off camera, but basically it's held on by clips. I'm not going to see very well, but there's a clip kind of there, and there's going to be a little kind of like thing at the top here, it's like a connector which kind of goes in there. I actually broke a bit off, but it should be fine. Keep this, you might need it. And then your steering boss can just slide straight on like so, just like that. We may have encountered a small problem which I might not include in this video. I have zero idea how to install the horn. There's no wires here. I don't think I could pin anything. I don't think I could pin anything into these connections here. There's just nothing. There's just no possible way I can see to install a horn. So I'll probably need to look at this off camera. I have no idea how to install the horn, but for now, I'll just have to install the steering wheel, leave as it is for now. I might potentially need to actually like make my own horn. So I might need to actually buy an aftermarket horn and put it in the engine bay, run the wires into the car. That's the only thing I can think of really. That's pretty easy to do as well. So anyway, so unfortunately we can't wire up the horn in this video. So what we'll do instead is we'll just install the steering wheel, all that good stuff, and then end the video there. So let's get the new steering wheel on and just appreciate how good it looks. Guys, it's actually getting dark now unfortunately, but for now we'll get this trim back on and then get the steering wheel on. So let's crack on. Right guys, so it's a new day, we're in some daylight, so I thought I'd show you the steering wheel and appreciate how good it looks. So yeah, it actually looks a lot better, and I've been in for driving it recently, and I tell you, the car feels so much better to drive with this steering wheel on. The only problem is I need to install a horn, because we had to remove the Airbag Squib to get the boss on, and yeah, there's no way to actually wire in the horn. I don't know what to do. I might need to actually wire up my own horn, so I'll put the button in there, make my own wiring, and wire it into the original horn. I think that's what I might need to do. I'm not too bothered about not having a horn, to be honest, so what I'll probably do is just put the button there on the little kind of circle bit, just so it looks good. And for the MOT, I'll just put the original steering wheel back on and the horn. So yeah, I'm not too bothered about not having a horn. I mean, like, I can always just shout at people or whatever, but you know, anyway. I know this probably wasn't an exciting video, but it is what it is. I just thought I'd make this video anyway because it's part of the build of this car. So anyway, if you did like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.